It's pumpkin time. It's pumpkin time. Oh, I'm so excited. It's pumpkin time. Okay, I'm fine. Alright, I grew some pumpkins this year. Not as many as I was hoping, but better than nothing. So, I went to the store and got myself a white pumpkin because I didn't have one of those. Ta-da! Cute. I'm gonna make a skull out of it, or, well, that was the plan. I had it in the porch a couple of days and this happened. I'm not impressed. And I went back today and all the pumpkins in the container are all blah. Alright, well, work with what you got. I have a plan. Let's see what I can do. My initial idea was to cut a big mouth in the pumpkin like he's screaming, and then get the little orange pumpkins around him that looks like he's biting him, kind of like you see on Pinterest. But that didn't really happen, because after some testing, there was a lot more rot on this guy than I thought. So, I took just a kitchen knife, and I started cutting a zigzaggy pattern, because at this point I still thought I was going to do the big open mouth, and I thought teeth are good. But it is what it is. It's rotted almost right to the inside, which is disappointing. I got a couple of the seeds out for next year, so hopefully they'll be okay once they dry. I cut down the pumpkin a bit more to get the rest of it off, and while I was wiping off the mud, it reminded me of something I've seen before in my craft room. I know what to do. I need to accessorize. So I took the knife and I cut an edge off so it could sit up on its side. Like so. That'll do, pumpkin. That'll do. Some accessories, and voila. Now you bullshit a story. On All Hallows Eve, under the light of the full moon, at the stroke of midnight, undead unicorns hatch from the giant white pumpkins in the pumpkin patches to scream across the sky. Dun dun dun. It's still a little slimy and gross, but it is what it is. It won't make it to Halloween, but will always exist in my heart. It doesn't look too bad. Little tea light. Little skeleton. Yeah, not bad at all. If I was more talented, I probably could have come up with something a little bit more detailed. But I'm not, so this'll do for today. All in all, considering how rotten it was, I'm impressed with myself. I managed to come up with absolutely anything I could do with this. Ta-da! Well, that's one pumpkin down. About 10 more to go, hopefully. And I'll see you next time.